Hello everyone, this is Mohanad from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will learn together arithmetic operations and mathematical functions that these are important topic to build a Python code, and where we consider the operations between numbers and factors and some mathematical functions for rounding numbers, for example, considering the absolute value of the results, or considering minimum or maximum values. All of these operations and functions will be introduced in this tutorial. Arithmetic operation is a branch of mathematics which deal with numbers and the operation around these numbers. There are four basic mathematical operations that we will describe in this tutorial, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are other operations also, including exponent and modulus. All of these operations are exist in every code in this universe, and we will also describe some mathematical functions such as round operation, absolute value, max, minimum value, and and so on. Now let us start with the first mathematical operation that we will have, which is addition. Suppose I have, for example, a variable called a friend, and this friend, I have zero friend. I don't have a friend now, and later I will have another friend. So I want to increase this variable by one. So friend equal the old value, which is a friend, which is 0 plus 1. So when I print this variable, it will show to me that my friend increased by 1. But I can do this addition using the augmented assignment operator, so it will be more Pythonic and more flashy. Augmented assignment operator, which is implemented like this. So I have a friend plus equal 1. This is called, when I add this addition, then equal and 1. By this way, we increase the friend that I have by 1 using the augmented assignment operator. And when I print the friend, the friends that I have, I will notice that also my friend variable increased by 1. So we can do it either by normal way or by using the augmented assignment operator. The second one, or the second operation we will speak about, which is subtraction. And in the subtraction, we will, for example, minimize the variable by 1. For example, if I have the same thing here, I have a friend, but in this variable I have 5. I want to reduce the number of a friend by 1, which will come a friend minus 1. Okay. And now when I print this friend variable, it will decrease by 1. Similarly, we can do that by using the augmented assignment operator, by inserting the operator within the variable. Then we can do it, for example, I can reduce it by 1, or I can reduce it by 2. Let us check how many friends do I have. Then I have 2, since I used the augmented assignment by 2. The next operation we will speak about is the multiplication. And in the multiplication, we multiply the variable by, for example, by a quantity. I have the same thing here. We have a friend, I have a 3 friend, and I want to multiply this variable by 3, and I want to show the result here. It will become 9. uh, because I multiplied it by 3. The same thing here by also augmented assignment operator. Okay, so friend multiply equal, for example, 2, and we will notice here the friend will become um, uh, um, 18. Okay, now we will speak about the last operation that we will have, which is the division. So we will speak about the division, um, and the same, let us use the same concept here. I have a friend, and for example, inside this variable friend I have 3 friends, or I have 9 friends. Okay, and I want to divide them. For example, a friend equal a friend by divided by 3. I will show the friend, it will become a 3 now, and consider that this will become a float, and we use the same thing here. If I do augmented assignment operator equal 3, so I also divide by 3, but here again remember this expression we refer to as augmented assignment when we insert beside next to the variable the operator we have. Let us print the variable, and we will see that it becomes one friend because the additional division that I have. Other mathematical operator or arithmetic operation, which is the exponent. Okay, in the exponent we use the power. For example, I have a friend, the same concept or the same example. I have 2 friends. I want to use the power of 2. So friends equal a friend, and the exponent operator is double star. Okay, so we have them by 2, and I print the friend again. We will notice that, oh, it become 4. If I have it, I want to take the exponent of 3 to this variable, it will become 8. And the last operator, the same thing can be also done here using the augmented assignment operator. Suppose after like 20 30 years my friends also become more and more, so I can use the exponent using the assignment operator in this way, and I want to duplicate the last result. I want to take the exponent of the last result by 2, the power of 2, and it will become here 64. This is like a conceptualized example when I speak about a friend, but this is generalized among any example. Do you have the last thing that I want to speak about, which is the modulus operator. The modulus operator is very important and exists among in many different applications since it considers the remainder of the division. Okay, for example, if I have let us to say that I have a variable var, for example. Okay, this var equal 50. Okay, then what I can do, I want to take the remainder of division by 3 for this variable. So the result will be a variable, or what the variable is, and then I use the percentage sign. Okay, and by 3. So I want to use this 50 number. I want to set to divide this number into a 3 equal set, and the remainder of this 3 equal sets, it will be the modules of that numbers. Let us to print the result, and result will be like 2. Okay, so we can like clusters the number 50 into three equally, okay, into three equally groups, and the remainder will be 2. And we can obtain the same thing here using the augmented assignment operator. And when we use the percentage sign, and for example I divide it by 3, I want to take the remainder of the division, and when we print this var we will see that the same result we have by using the modulo. Okay, now let us speak a little bit about the mathematical function, and we will have mathematical functions. The first one, we will speak about the round, but let us give three examples. For example, we have x equal 3.415. Then we will have like y equal minus 4, and I have z equal 5. These are three variables that I defined. For round, let us introduce the first one, which is round. Round, it does like this. It round the number, okay, based on the how many floating numbers I want. After this decimal separator, for example, if I want to use 2, I can insert inside the function round 2, and let us prove this using the example. For example, a print round, okay, round what? Round x, and I want to consider only two decimal point. When we execute this, we will see that, oh, 3.15, and this number has been rounded by 2. If I will have number like this, and I will choose 4 decimal point, it will be executed like this. This is the round function, and can be used in many different applications to give you like or to visualize the result, considering like a limited number, a limited floated number, or considering like only two or three numbers after the decimal point. We will have also power function, POW. For example, I want to have the result of the power, okay, with power of 2 to power 3, okay, it will be 8. 2 to power 3 will be 8, which is equivalent to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, okay, or for example 4 by over 3, it will be 64. This is the power function. We also will speak about the max function. Consider that I can do like this. I can put the result in a variable. For example, I named it a result, and I can say boo or power, okay, for 2 of 3, and I print the result. So it is not just showing in the print mode, but we can store the result in a variable and manipulate this result later. And I want to speak also about the maximum function. For example, I want to introduce this result variable, and the result is equal maximum. Consider what we discussing now of this mathematical function. All of these functions are come with Python, so they are built in. Later we will see that we will have mathematics module or math module that contain also functions similar to these functions. Max function here, it select the maximum value among different values. Okay, so we will have x and y and z, and we will print the result here without answering now. Let us see. So 5 is the maximum value. The same intuition is followed when I want to have the minimum value. Just replace max by min. Okay, and it will show to you that -4 is the minimum value. Okay, that's for today's tutorial. We reviewed together and learned together the arithmetic operations in Python and some basic mathematical functions. Please do subscribe to this channel and share this video among your friends so all can learn together. Thank you and see you next tutorial where we will speak about math module in Python.